constraints on every project. For example, we said that there were scope constraints, there are time constraints, there are cost constraints, there are resource constraints, there's risk constraints, and there's this one, which is the quality constraint. Now, when it comes to scope, we've got a scope statement. When it comes to time, we've got a WBS. We've got cost, that's actually tracked in project management as well. Resources are tracked in project. Risk, we've got a report for, and this one is the one for quality. So when we take a look at quality, what we're really doing is taking a look at the people who actually ensure good quality. This is our quality management plan. This is how we plan to ensure that the quality promised is the quality delivered. The title of the project stays the same. All that top part is pretty much standard by now. Then we've got the project description. Here again, you're going to cut and paste. So it's going to be a cut and paste from the last form that you filled out with the project description. That's probably going to be your scope statement. Then you've got some quality objectives. Now, for the example we've been using of actually the wireless upgrade at FSCJ, one of the quality objectives might be that you eliminate all the dead spots. So you make sure that the entire building is covered. You actually have to have that as part of your quality control. So as you install and finish the different switches that need to go in the different places, somebody comes after that and tests the system, not only that they can sign on, but they can also experience no dead spots. And there are ways and technologies that can spot dead spots. You'll want to modify so that the quality is always maintained. So that would be a quality objective, that there be no dead spots with that. Sometimes your quality objective will be that it passes safety regulations. Sometimes it'll be that you pass city code. So it depends on your quality objectives that you have there, because those objectives are actually going to be enforced by the project quality team members. So let's jump down there. Here's where they're actually assigned. So we're going to put a name down there, their physical name, and then this is actually the quality control team leader. Now these roles here again are suggestions that have come from industries. Not all of them will fit yours, but they're just suggestions that you can fill in different roles here if you'd like. Their position in the company, how we contact them, and here again the Myers-Briggs type. Now, in my experience, the best quality control team leaders are people that have a good balanced Myers-Briggs score. But when you get down to the details of who knows what those different standards are, quality control is usually determined by the person with the most experience and with the most knowledge. Those things are going to be usually your sensors, and your sensors are going to be the ones that really know the detail of things. So let's just kind of take a look at the roles. We've got the quality team leader, quality control team leader. We've got the quality improvement person. We've got the internal quality control. Now, internally we can control the quality. Externally, you can only assure the quality. So this is the one that, this is the person that's actually going to be selecting and working with the vendors and things like that. And you've got the process team leader who's not just concerned with the product, but also how it's done, the right people for the right job, the right environment, in other words, the process itself. Then we've got the quality metrics criteria. In other words, how is it going to be measured? So in the case of our quality objective of not having any dead spots, the metric might be, it'll be done by an outside contractor, and let's say Phillips and Company. They will be testing using the ID5D. So that's all again on the project itself. Let's take a look at the administrative deliverables. These are the things that the quality management plan needs to specify so that the project manager gets things delivered to the sponsor. A deliverable might be the monthly meeting of the quality control team. Might be something to do with the state of the contracts. And then, of course, we've got the signature lines at the bottom.